What's up, guys? It's me, Savannah. What about my channel? For the stars and
So what happened today, Savannah? Wait a minute, what happened out there? Where did all that come from?
I don't know why Dreamer did that, but it's not me. It was Tinkerbell.
It was Tinkerbell?
I mean Cinnamon.
Cinnamon made it
No,
snow?
I got Dreamer's name.
Dreamer made it snow?
Yeah, because she's a dog.
Yeah, so she made it snow, huh?
Remember last time when I came home? I lived in my bed, the chair, and
so what are we going to do?
the bench, and the chair. When my mom said, when she said she died, I was sad.
Yeah, you were, weren't you? Hey, Savannah, what are we going to do today then?
We're going to go sledding.
Go sledding? So how do we do that?
We put on the snow.
Your snow pants. Does Daddy need to put snow pants on?
Yeah.
Hey guys, look at this. I'm wearing shorts. And I don't know. Savannah thinks I need to wear snow pants. I think I could go out in the shorts, right, Savannah?
No.
What? It's still snowing? So I can't go out in the snow like that?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I better go get some pants on, huh? And some snow pants on?
And all your gear on, your hat,
My hat?
your gloves, your jacket, your boots, your snow peanuts.
Oh
All
yeah.
your gear like this.
Okay.
I don't know.
We'll go outside then. Okay, guys. This is our Halloween decorations right now. I'm thinking that they are all buried right now. Our strobe light is strobing the snow.
Yeah, when I was out here, I was turning everything up.
Yeah, and by the way, guys, guess what? It is October 20th. It is not December. This is October 20th. We haven't even had Halloween yet. We are knee deep in snow. Look at our pine trees. They look very, very bad right now. They are, oh, nuts. Looks like I'm gonna have to get the snowblower out because they plowed our driveway in. So yeah, needless to say,
Daddy, wait for me.
well, I'm only walking out here. Really fast. Wow. Yeah, guys.
No. Come back up here.
No, Daddy's coming back in because Daddy's gonna have to get the snowblower out.
Why?
Because look at all this snow. Are you gonna go sledding a little bit?
Yeah,
Yeah, and we didn't even get the trampoline down yet.
No.
The apple tree is covered in snow. Look at this. I drove the car home already. And this is how much snow we got already. It's already covered. Needless to say, I was not ready for winter.
I'm not ready for winter either.
This is way too much snow right now.
House.
What? Yeah, I know, we don't even have Christmas decorated for you yet, do we?
Yeah, we didn't even have Halloween yet.
Trampoline is still up. But Savannah's gonna go sledding. You wanna go show everyone how you're gonna go sledding, Savannah?
Yeah, we're gonna meet over there and just my sled.
Okay, so we got this. We did take the sleds out. Yeah, we'll go sledding with Savannah here in a little bit.
Yeah.
Look at that.
There's so much. No, I can't even move this one. Are you ready?
Yep, let's see. Okay, Savannah, let's see you go down.
Where'd you just say your stuff? Maybe I just sit back.
Yeah, sit back towards the back, don't you?
Yeah, my can. Whoa, I'm moving. I don't know what I did.
Alright, guys, I had to go get a tape measure. Measure how much snow we got. If I'm measuring right, it looks like we got about 7 inches in that spot. But we'll try another spot.
I'm trying over in the deeper area. In this area.
Well, let's try an area that you have not walked, Savannah, because it makes it really hard to get accurate measurement when you walk in it. Okay, so let's see. Okay, now this spot, if I'm reading it right, is 7 inches. Also, we will check right over here. So it's all relatively in the same spot. And this spot is about 6.5 inches actually. So we got in the neighborhood about 6 to 7 inches, right, Sophia? Okay, so guys, so as you see, it's 6.5 here.
Yep.
Oops, yeah, I just dropped my glove. So we'll try and measure right here. And that appears to be about 7. Let's check right here. That's 7 also. I know it's like 2 inches away, right, Savannah?
Yeah, but I'm right here.
But yeah, so it looks like we're about 7 inches snow so far, Savannah.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, our apple tree didn't even lose its leaves yet, Savannah. Let's see how many inches is here. Whoa, right here, there's like 9 inches.
Ooh.
Wow. But that is on the hill bar a little bit.
Yeah.
So let's see right here where no one has walked. That's also 9 inches. Wow. But we're going to come over here and bury our pine tree that we did for Earth Day, right, Savannah?
Yeah, the sun needs a lot of sun.
Yep. And we don't want it to die, right?
No, but if you put so much snow, it would die.
Yep. So we're going to uncover it. Right, Savannah?
Yep. Oh, we done before it's Christmas.
Is it Christmas already, Savannah?
No, we need more.
Is that Halloween?
Yeah, we need floats.
Or do you want to go sledding yet?
Yep.
Okay, let's go sledding.
I went down.
Okay, let's see.
Right in a different area.
Everybody coming up?
Yep. Sorry, our trees are making noise. We have a lot of trees around here.
Yep, are you going to try it again?
Yep, all by myself. Sorry.
Go up around, Savannah.
Come on, Sled.
Okay, so are you going to go down again, Savannah?
Yep. Sled won't let me in. Whoa.
You better hurry.
Whoa.
She went down again.
That was fast.
Was that fast?
Yeah, it went turning. It always went straight. I always saw it went turn bump.
Yeah. Are you ready, Savannah?
I'm ready over by you.
Is that fun?
Yeah, can you do it?
Should we go up again?
Yeah, can you bring
Hey, Savannah, should we go make a snow angel?
Yep, let's you ride in it.
Let's come over here, somewhere where we haven't walked yet. Show everyone how you make a snow angel.
I'll sit right here.
Better start moving those feet bigger, faster. Your one foot is not moving so fast, Savannah. Remove this foot over here. Is this foot tiring out? Oh. Now can you get up? Now let's see it.
Angel. Whoa. That is no angel.
No, Savannah, it's no angel.
You now.
Okay.
You're over there somewhere.
No, Daddy's gonna go sledding some more. Okay, let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
Savannah, what's the matter? Did you get stuck going up the hill?
Yeah, I need someone to hold me.
Oh my, I think you can do it. Let's do it. Let's try. Oh, you make it, Savannah. Oh, I don't know if Daddy can make it though. Oh, this is hard, Savannah. Oh, Daddy doesn't know he can make it.
You made it, Daddy.
I'm falling. I don't know if I can make it. Are you gonna come and help me, Savannah? Oh, you got my sled? Oh, do you think I can make it?
Yeah. Keep flying.
Okay. I'm doing it.
I really wanted to make a snowman.
Oh yeah, maybe tomorrow we can make a snowman, huh?
After school.
Well, I don't even know if there's gonna be school with how much snow we got. Well, let's see. Okay, Savannah. With that in mind, should we do some shout outs?
Yeah.
Who should we do some shout outs to?
But shout out to Whitney. Second shout out to Charlie. The last shout out goes to Mommy. Thanks for watching the video with Dawn. We love you. If you guys want to be shout out, make sure fun.